Thomas James Eliot, born on 26 September 1888 and who lived up to 4th January 1965, was an English poet, essayist, publisher, dramatist, literary critic, and editor. He is one of the central figures of modernist English poetry. His notable works include The Waste Land, Four Quartets, Murder in the Cathedral, etc. He was honored by the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1948 for his outstanding pioneer contribution to modern-day poetry. His first most famous poem, The Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock of 1915, became a modernist masterpiece. After this wonderful writing, the success in poetry writing was totally his piece of cake. He became famous for his 7 plays as well. He had to overcome physical limitations as a child, as he was suffering from inguinal hernia, which could not let him participate in most physical activities. Thus, he remained isolated most of the times. This isolation led to develop love for literature within himself. As he grew older and learned to read and write, he became more passionate about penning down his own thoughts in the form of poetry and other writings. Moreover, his mother was also a poet. Maybe that would have been some source of inspiration to him. He was born in St. Louis, and the environment he was born and brought up also inspired him for poetry writing. As he finds himself fortunate enough to be born in a place like St. Louis rather than in big cities like New York, Boston, or London. As a man as well as a poet, there are many things that we can learn from him. His thoughts can definitely inspire us towards the positivity of our mind, psychology, and life. Let us go through some of his best known quotes. Anxiety is the handmaiden of creativity. It will do you no harm to find yourself ridiculous. Resign yourself to be the fool you are. We must always take risks. That's our destiny. Only those who will risk going too far can possibly find out how far one can go. It is obvious that we can no more explain a passion to a person who has never experienced it than we can explain light to the blind. It's not wise to violate rules until you know how to observe them. What we call the beginning is often the end, and to make an end is to make a beginning. The end is where we start from. Let's not be narrow, nasty, and negative. Where is the life we have lost in living? Where is the wisdom we have lost in knowledge? Where is the knowledge we have lost in information? Whatever you think, be sure it is what you think. Whatever you want, be sure that is what you want. Whatever you feel, be sure that is what you feel. I don't believe one grows older. I think that what happens early on in life is that at a certain age one stands still and stagnates. There is not a more repulsive spectacle than an old man who will not forsake the world which has already forsaken him. Humankind cannot bear very much reality. People to whom nothing has ever happened cannot understand the unimportance of events. The noble is a ticket to one's own funeral. No one has ever done anything after he caught it. This is the way the world ends, not with a bang, but a whimper. Do I dare disturb the universe? A toothache or a violent passion is not necessarily diminished by our knowledge of its causes, its character, its importance, or insignificance. Genuine poetry can communicate before it is understood. We shall not cease from exploration, and the end of all our exploring will be to arrive where we started and know the place for the first time. To do the useful thing, to say the courageous thing, to contemplate the beautiful thing, that is enough for one man's life. The very existence of libraries affords the best evidence that we may yet have hope for the future of man. Sometimes things become possible if we want them bad enough. If you haven't the strength to impose your own terms upon life, then you must accept the terms it offers you. If you aren't in over your head, how do you know how tall you are?